My name is Monica Machado, Catastrophe Peninsula student. Learn to manage stress. Three body exercises. 1. Swimming. Swimming stimulates the production of endorphins, hormones that improve our mood, helps clear the mind because it's a sport that requires a lot of coordination and effort to be able to practice it correctly. 2. Yoga. It's considered the most effective physical activity to find a balance between body and mind. It represents an excellent option to relieve stress, thanks to its mobile and stationary postures with breathing. 3. Pilates. It helps lower stress levels and increases strength, endurance, and flexibility. There are anaerobic movements or of short duration that you can practice in gyms or from home. 3 mind exercises. 1. Cognitive reorganization. Cognitive reorganization attempts to offer ways and procedures for a person to reorganize the way they perceive and appreciate situation. If the way we behave and the way we feel depends on our perception of a situation, it's important to have strategies for redefining situations that contributed to an adequate adaptation. This technique is replacing inappropriate interpretation of a situation with others that generate positive emotional responses and more appropriate behaviors. 2. Listening to relaxing music. Slow instrumental music can induce a relaxation response by helping to lower blood pressure and heart rate, as well as stress hormones. The sound of nature are also very calming. For that reason, these sounds are often incorporated into music for a relaxation and meditation. 3. Recreated through happy moments. Looking at photograph videos or simply remembering those moments in which you have felt really happy and recreating them is an excellent strategy to change that state of mind that nobody wants.